So we're on to the fourth heat of 8. Class 3 girls, 100 meters. And I do believe we have another full field here, do we? No one in lane 7. So here we go. In 1 should be Andriana Walcott of Moran Bay. In 2 should be Unica Smith from Rossies High, representing the West. The finalist and the Western Championships, Tanika Moulton of Clarendon College. Finalist at the Central Championships, Shanique Roberts of Tarrant. Adriana Pine of Edinallen, look out for her. Second at the Central Championships, 12.31. And Latanya Briscoe, St. Andrew High. Akeelia Marks of Herbert Morrison should have been in 7, but not there. And Requasha Brown of Merle Grove in lane 8. Heat 4 of 8.
Set.
Clean break. Pine wastes no time in getting to the front along with Moulton of Clarendon College. These two will press to the line. Moulton gets it just ahead of Pine of Edwin Allen. Maybe a slight upset there in this heat, because Pine has been running well all season, and in the Central Championships, 12.31. But might have been conserving a bit there, you think?
Well, I can tell you this. Last year, a favorite to win in Class 4 got injured in the second round, and I guess caution here in the first round. Didn't start particularly well on the inside. Moulton had a great start, but Pine at 50 meters, getting the rust out, getting the speed down the track. And I think conserving, yes, because, again, no medals or points are given out in the first round, but Moulton pressing her all the way, keeping the race honest. So a good job by her. But Pine looking good, looking very consistent. I think it's worth it to say that she has had a better season this year than last, and she's through the first round at Champs 2026. Easing down at the line, but just getting the victory